cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Cadillac XT4, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side window looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire side panel of the vehicle. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side window. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating on the side panel, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel too as well in order to help remove all those contaminants. So just grab your slip solution first, spray it onto your microfiber towel, and clean the entire side panel. And also while you're cleaning, make sure that you remove all the contaminants that are around the body or anywhere else on the trim. That way, in case the film does touch anywhere else, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And once we're done with the prep, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the chrome panel. Okay, so we're going to start with piece number 1, which covers this side panel here. So just place the film down onto the panel. And we're going to start by doing the alignment around this section here. So just align the edge of the film right on the edge where the chrome ends. So it should be like this. And then the extra material that you have here covers the top section here. So all we're doing is using the bottom section as a guide to align the rest of the film. And then once we align everything, we're just going to squeegee going up to remove all of the air bubbles. So once you've placed the film down, go ahead and grab your squeegee, start tacking everything down, remove all of the air like I mentioned, and bring everything towards the top since we need to cover the chrome that's on the top here. And if you do happen to have excess material here, you can just move the gasket to the side and tuck in the film underneath. Okay, so now start from here. Make sure you're covering the entire film here. If you need to adjust it, you can. Okay, we should be good. And now just tack it down to wrap it around here. That way we seal the edge. So as you can see right here, we have chrome. So the extra film covers the chrome here. So just grab your squeegee and start tacking it down from the top. Okay, so everything should be covered from the top like this. Hopefully you guys can see it, but yeah, full coverage on top. And now to cover this edge here, we're going to need to stretch the film just by a little bit by applying heat. That way it covers this section here. So I'll show you guys right now. Okay, so all we need to do is just apply heat, like I mentioned. So grab your heat device. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Apply heat around this area. Hold the film. Just be careful not to burn your finger. And all we're doing is applying heat to help loosen the tension around the film. And once we apply heat, we're able to kind of stretch it and wrap it around the curve here. Make sure to help it tack on top too. So you can always apply a little bit more heat to help loosen the tension. Okay, and then stretch and tack down. So it should be like this. That way we have full coverage all around here. Now just grab your heat device, apply heat to start sealing the edge here. Okay, and now we'll just trim off the excess material right here in this section here. So just grab your blade, you only need a little bit out, and create an outline with your finger here. And where you created the outline, that's where you trim off the excess material. Peel it off carefully, and you should be able to tuck in the film here. There's a small little gap to tuck in. And that's pretty much it. And now you would use your heat gun in order to seal the top edge as well. That way the film doesn't lift over time. So apply heat to seal everything, and then once we're done here, we move on to piece number 2. So for piece number 2, we're going to start by aligning this cutout here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it has like this little cutout right here. So that cutout will be installed around this area here. So place the film onto the panel and align it to the cutout, and you should be able to cover this edge. And you should have all this material here to wrap around and cover the side panel here as well. So we'll leave it like that for now, and all we're doing is just lifting the film and adjusting it and aligning it to this section here. For this one, I would recommend to use the top section. So I would recommend you guys using the top section here as your guide to align the film to the chrome panel. That way it's easier to just align it, and then we tack down here. Any remaining excess material we'll just tuck in to cover the chrome that's underneath here. So just lift it and use the top section. Go ahead and just grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film. Remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. Bring everything towards the bottom. That way it looks flat like this. So work from the top towards the bottom. And then on the edge here, we'll just do the same steps or process that we did for the top in order to help wrap around and cover the chrome here. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 3 here. So this one, just make sure you have enough material to cover the chrome here, since there is chrome, like how the other door had it, there's chrome that wraps around here. So lift it carefully and give yourself a good amount of material to wrap it around here. And then once you have it there, do your alignment, use the bottom section as your guide to align the rest of the film until you reach it here. Okay, and you should also have a good amount of material to cover the inside here as well. Okay, so now you're just going to grab your squeegee, start tacking on the film, remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure if you do have any crazy fingers like this one here, or any sharp fingers, just lift the film carefully to help flatten out those fingers. We don't want to accidentally crease the film, so just lift and adjust as needed to remove those fingers. Okay, and now you just do the same process as how we did it for piece number 1 and 2. Remove all the air, seal the edges, seal the top, and trim any unnecessary material that you may have around the edge. And that's pretty much it. And same process with this one too. So for the last piece here, we just need to make sure we align it around this edge here. That way everything else will fall into place right here. So just align it here, right on the edge, and give yourself material to cover around the curved area, since there is chrome that wraps around the curve here. So lift it carefully and align the bottom, as so, and then work your way towards the top. And just carefully help it tack down here. You can use your squeegee to help it tack down. Around this section here, we will need to apply a little bit of heat, since there is a curve here and the film will tend to lift. So just take your time. Once you're around here, then apply heat. So grab your heat gun, apply heat around the curve. Let the film cool down just a little bit, and then with your finger you can start helping it tack down. And don't forget about the top section here. And that's pretty much it. Don't forget to start tacking down the edges. That way we have full coverage. And then apply heat around the curve here so the film starts molding to the design of the curve. And for the edges here, we would just repeat the same process as how we've been doing it with the other panels. Just wrap it around. That way we cover here, and then trim, and then we should be good. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the side window is to post heat everything. So you're going to need your heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. That will help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So use the lowest setting on your device, take your time applying heat, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side window chrome delete installation for the Cadillac XT4. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the XT4. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.